Use laundry bags. Laundries are messy, especially if your kids or your partners just toss them off into any area of their room or in the utility room. It would be confusing as well if your laundries are mixing with fresh wardrobe. That's why laundry bags were made. There are many ways to use laundry bags besides the obvious that they're for keeping laundries. Laundry bags come in different types. There are fabric bags, plastic bags, and mesh bags. No matter which type you prefer to use, they will basically serve the same purposes. Make more uses for your laundry bags by knowing how to use them. Read on to find out how. Use 2 laundry bags to separate colors. There are types of fabric that bleeds color into other fabrics. This is the common problem with laundries. Which color should be with which color? The solution to this would be to have 2 separate laundry bags for dark and light colors. Light colors should include white, light yellow, beige, cream, and pastel colors. Dark colors should include dark blue, brown, black, purple, red and dark green. The logic is simple. When dark colors bleed into each other, they don't show, unlike dark colors bleeding into light clothing. Using separate laundry bags would make it easier for you to segregate. Use laundry bags to keep reserved clothing or fabrics. Reserved or unused fabrics like bed sheets and linen, which are used periodically, could be kept in laundry bags and hung in closet spaces. One reason why laundry bags, particularly mesh laundry bags, are good to store linen is because they wouldn't smell like old wood or termites, unlike if you keep them in a wooden cabinet. You wouldn't even have to use moth balls to keep insects away from your fabrics. Use laundry bags to transport linen and clothing. If you need to bring your clothes and linen to the laundromat, you can ditch the old smelly knapsack and transport them in your laundry bags. Even when you go camping, they are best to carry your sleeping bags in, especially if your laundry bags are waterproof. Plus, if it gets muddy, laundry bags are washable and air dries easily. Use laundry bags to keep your children's toys. Kids' toys often get dirty after even just one round of play. Your laundry bags, particularly mesh ones, are great to keep your children's toys after washing to dry them out. Just hang them at an elevation and it will avoid mold from developing. Use laundry bags to wash delicate clothing and underwear. Sometimes when you machine wash very fragile and delicate clothing and underwear, they get damaged. Laundry bags could be used to wash these types of clothing, protecting them from getting damaged or distorted. Put all the delicate clothing into your laundry bags first before putting the laundry bag into the washing machine. Use laundry bags to transport vegetables and light fruits. When going to the market, you could bring along your laundry bags to carry fresh vegetables and fruits. The vegetables or fruits wouldn't be squished too much because laundry bags are soft and flexible enough. Now you have the knowledge on how to use your laundry bags. Keep in mind that laundry bags can have a multitude of uses, so the next time you need to wash delicate laundry, keep your kids' toys or go to the market, just grab your laundry bags and be on your way.